Hello guys, welcome to another lectures with Urban Planning Studio Hub. On this lecture, I would like to show us how we could readily and easily calculate area coverage for a supervised classified imagery data. Like on this one on my screen here, like you can see, this was actually a few districts under Victoria State, where I actually performed some tutorials on how to classify this. In the tutorial I showed a lot of steps and process in how it got us here. So what I will do is I'll be dropping the link in the description box so that you could easily go back there to see, watch, and then so that you could be on the same page with us on this very tutorial. Now in the last class we were able to extract this image from Sentinel. We did a lot of computations and we arrived here using a shapefile of Australia as a continent, and then we extracted the state Victoria out of it. And after out of Victoria, this I think this is about 5 districts in which we selected. Now so we are able to classify that of water, trees, flooded vegetation, and the rest of them. So in this tutorial, the first thing we will do is I would like us to go to our Symbology. Now under the Symbology, under unique values, you can see that the colors are outlining. We have serial numbers, that's number 1 to 11, where 3, 6, and 9 has been skipped out. Also in the tutorial I explain what happened there. So in order to save time, I'll just go straight ahead. So what we'll be doing now is to explore our attribute table and actually effect these names, okay, before we now convert this raster to polygons, and then from there we'll use the data to compute our area coverage. Okay, so stay in tune. So excuse me. So what we'll do next is right click and come to your attribute table, just the way the number is as we saw on our Symbology. 1, 2 without the 3, 4, 5 without the 6, 7, 8 without the 9, 10, and 11. So what you quickly do, you come to the table options, you add a field. This field, let's give it a field called class, and then we give it the type as text, then we OK it. So we'll be typing in here. Before you type, do that, you right click on this and you come on the area of interest, you come to your edit feature and then click on start edit. Okay, so we'll be typing in water here, water. Next one is trees. Next one is flooded vegetation, just the way we saw it in our Symbology. The next is crop, the cropland. Next the built up area. The next is shrub, we'll be typing in. The next is bare land, and the last is grass. So we type this and then you come to your editor. If you don't have this, you right click on an empty space, the toolbar will drop down and this is the editor. You check it back. Okay, so let me check it. Then you click on the drop down arrow, then you click on stop edit. It asks, do you want to save edit? You type in yes. So I've been able to add this to our attribute table. So the next thing to do is to come to your Windows in the tools here, Windows, and you hit on search. Okay, now a window will pop up where we'll be typing raster to polygon. So we'll be typing in raster to polygon in order to convert the raster image to a polygon format. So let's allow it to come up. Okay, type raster to polygon and hit on search. It's actually taking time to load. Now it's loaded. Now we click on raster to polygon, this conversion. You look at this first one is the one we'll be working with. Then convert polygons features to raster. Now the first one, you click the first one. Okay, allow it to come up. Can dock this. Okay, I think, okay, let's click again. Okay, we are here now. So we'll be imputing our area of interest as our raster. Okay, allow it to load. The file is quite large, so it will take a little while in order for it to pick up. Okay, we're back. It's complete. So the field, we're going to be changing the field to we'll change it to class. Okay, this on the class, and then we'll uncheck this. Just as I normally tell us, I love arranging my folders, so you can leave it under default. It will be under default, but I don't like it, so I'll be choosing a particular directory where I would like to store in the output. Okay, so let me go through to my system locally. So I would like to save it here, so I will type a raster on the polygon, and I'll put Victoria underscore Victoria. If the name is too long to give you. Now it's done. So what I'll do next is to hit on OK, and it processes. So you can see it's processing raster to polygon. Okay, there we have it. We have been able to compute the raster to polygon. Now when I like right click and go to the attribute table, you can see that this has actually reclassified them into we have about 23,670 polygons. So what we'll be doing now is to add up a new field called area. Let's say area cover. Let's call it area cover. Then for the type, you select double and you click. So what you do, you left click on this, right click, then go to your calculate geometry. This notification pops up. You click on yes. What you do is it's trying to do that use this coordinate system. Yes, there's actually UTM zone 55s. Then we want it in hectares, not square meters. Then you click on OK and yes. Now it's going to calculate the geometry for you. Okay, as it's loading. Okay, now there you have it. This is the area coverage in hectares. So what we'll do is we select all, Control A, then we're going to save this. We're going to export. So we select a particular location, I would love to take it back to the Sentinel. There's a folder I call Sentinel on my desktop. I think this should be the one. Then what I will do is I'll have to type in, let's call it Victoria district, and then for the file type I choose the base table. That's actually going to be is a compatible file extension for Microsoft Excel. So it's under the Sentinel-2. You can take it to any location of your choice on your local disk. So I'll click on save, and then I'll click on OK. Then it's going to extract this. So okay, I'll click on no. So from here I will quickly minimize, and then that Sentinel-2 I actually saved it on my desktop. So I'll click it open. Then I will search for that file I call Victoria. Here it is. Then you can see it's already have it saved under Excel format. Then I open it up. Then allow it to load. Okay, you can see here we have the ID as a row, the grid code, the class, and the area cover or area coverage. So you can see that the data is quite large for the area in hectares. So what we'll be doing is to highlight this and to make it to look much smaller. We're going to be doing another reclassification here. So I highlight this, come to insert, then go to my pivot table and click on OK. So what I will do is that I will check this, and then I also check the class. So what I normally do, I take my area cover to the value, I drag it, then I allow my class to be there. So there you have it. So here I'll now create another, they simply call it let's call it land cover, LULC, land use land cover. Let's say 2021. Let me, okay, 2021 LULC. Then I'll call this the area coverage. Then I'll put it in hectares. So what I will do is I'll expand this, and also expand this a little. So I'll be highlighting just this, and then I copy it, come to this area, and then I paste just the value. Okay, I'll get rid of this blank, do the same for the values, copy and paste the value. So what we'll be doing next is to highlight it and then give it a table, then give this bold, then maybe create a total, then we highlight this and operate the sum, go to total and sum it up. Okay, so let's include everything now and tabulate it. Then I give this bold. If you like, you can change your writing style and all that. Okay, so there's a typographical error here. This will be coverage. Okay, now so what we'll do is to highlight this. Highlight with the total. You experiment what you want. Come to the chart. Look at what we want. Okay, maybe let's work with this. Then we can make choices here. I believe this is cool. anyone, of course. Okay, let's work with this. So we can have title. Okay, this is a legend. You can check this. You can check this will make everything look nice. Okay, all right. So you can effect this let's call it area coverage of Victoria district. Then maybe do some little editing. Maybe reduce this, select another font type for it randomly, then you search for letter T. Just select any random, any one of your choice. I'm actually looking for Times New Roman. Anyways, let me just use the easiest one. Let's use Calibri. Okay, then maybe just something like this. Okay, then maybe for the we've already selected this. Okay, ArcGIS title and the rest. Okay, you can give a linear timeline too. So there you have it, guys. This is a distribution showing the area coverage for the classification with just this the supervised classification. So when you have this for different years, like let's say here, you can also make it 2021 area coverage of Victoria district, something like this. So you can have a timeline. You can have that of 10 years ago, like that of 2011 down the line. Then you can now save this, and this is now your area coverage. So guys, that will be that for this class. So this is how you could actually get the area coverage in either square meter or hectares of any study area, just like the one we did here for Victoria. So you can do a lot of work. So you can clear selection, then you can uncheck this Rasta. So this is our image. So that will be the end of today's class, guys. So thank you very much, and do remember to subscribe to my channel. You hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification button. You also like the videos and be expecting much more from this channel. So I'll leave you with this one for now. So enjoy your day. Thank you.